Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix Microsoft Store exception error code 0xc000027b on if you are also facing such type of issues on your system when Microsoft Store app stuck, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side go to apps, thereafter go to install apps from the right side, and here look for store apps, type a store in the search field, and if you don't find store apps here, then scroll down and open system components, and here scroll down and you will find Microsoft Store app. Click on three horizontal dot against Microsoft Store and choose advanced options. Here scroll down and go to the reset section. If this system component is not working right, we can try to repair it. The system components data would not be affected. Choose repair. And if this system component still is not working right, reset it. The system components data will be deleted. If repair does not work, then choose reset Microsoft Store app. Click on reset. This will permanently delete the system components data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Click on reset again and let the window complete the resetting process. After that, check whether your Microsoft Store app is stuck on updating, issue resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, close the setting page, and go to the next fixes. And the next one is right click on start button and choose run. Clear Microsoft Store caches. In search field, type wsreact.exe. This command will clear all your Microsoft Store caches stored in your system. Click on OK. And check whether your Microsoft is stuck on updating issue resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. And the next workaround to fix this issue is again go to Windows search and open a store, Microsoft Store app. Open Microsoft Store app and log out from your Microsoft Store app Microsoft account and re-log in. First, click on your profile icon from the top menu bar and choose sign out from Microsoft account. And after some times, re-sign in your Microsoft account. Sometimes a simple sign out and again sign in can resolve this issue. The next workaround is go to Windows search and type a store troubleshoot. Find and fix problems with Microsoft Store apps. Open it. Troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems. Microsoft Store apps. Click on advanced and make the check against option apply repairs automatically and click on next. And follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process of your Microsoft Store app. It will not only detect the issue, it will fix them accordingly. Wait for some times, it will take few seconds. Follow on screen instruction to complete the process. And check whether your Microsoft Store apps stuck issue resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on start button and choose settings. In settings page from the left side, go to apps. Here go to installed apps. and here in search field, type store, and if it is not available here, so simply go to Windows search and type Microsoft Store. Open it. Here from the top menu bar, click on your profile icon and here choose settings. And here you will find app updates. Automatically download and install app updates. Updates for system components are controlled by Windows Update. Turn on this feature. After that, the next one is go to settings page again, and from the left side go to Windows Update and click on check for updates, and if any updates available, simply download and install it in your system. Sometimes outdated operating system may be a cause of various type of Microsoft